Ever since we discovered the negative effects of climate change, there have been efforts to find alternatives to the sources that are polluting our environment. Even though we have electrical cars, we have solar, wind, and hydro power plants, if you think of an alternative to a portable diesel generator, you won't find any. That's why I came up with Inertable. My name is Abdulrahman Rabia, and I came up with the idea of how to make wind turbines and solar panels portable, simply by using the equipment that's most transferred between countries around the globe, a ship container. When the ship container is transferred, the batteries and the wind turbine are inside. After it reaches its destination, the wind turbine is deployed above the container, charging the batteries, and from the batteries, you will get the electricity desired. With this product, we can supply electricity to remote locations, refugee camps, disaster areas, and festivals. With Inertable, we can make renewable energy portable.